Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
And I'm Anna. And today we have a special treat for you. Thank you to Jan for this. So, as you can tell, Jan's not with us, but Jan's having a little bit of a difficult time right now. So we're going to proceed without her, but with her in mind all the time. We love you, Jan. We miss you.
Love you, Jan.
Anyway, today, in the spirit of embracing getting older, we wanted to cook something for you, something easy, something quick, and something nutritious. And thanks to Jan, she actually sent me a gift of a HelloFresh box. It has 3 meals, and I love them. I love these meals. They're so much fun.
I didn't get a box.
Well,
hey, Jan, send me a box.
anyway, they always come with these cards that have all the recipes, and in the back, and a beautiful picture, and in the back, it has all the steps so that they're easy to make.
I love this. I love picture cards.
And they're wipeable.
Yeah.
And they also have a list of all the ingredients. And
That's so smart.
I just love it. Now, I asked for the vegetarian because I'm not eating meat. I'm vegan right now. So, like this has a little bit of ricotta cheese, which I wouldn't normally eat, but I put very little on mine, and I didn't put the Parmesan. But today, we're making the whole thing.
You're taking one for the team.
I am taking one for the team.
Thank goodness.
Anyway, okay, so far, it comes with double this recipe, but I already made half of it and ate it all by myself.
And you want more.
So this is the other half. So it came with 2 of these flatbreads. So we're
cute.
making one.
And
I
these
already
you baked, right?
Yeah, I already toasted it a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. So it'd be nice and it wouldn't absorb the cheese. I think that's why they do it.
Okay.
And then it comes with a little bag of Brussels sprouts. And Brussels sprouts are so healthy for you. We're going to chop off the tail.
I love Brussels sprouts.
I do too.
Yeah,
I do
but
too.
I need them like cooked, not raw.
Oh yeah, I don't like them raw.
And then this
Although I've had salads with Brussels sprouts, and it was delicious.
Really?
As long as they're cut very fine
and
and
they have
mixed
to be
with
fine.
other ingredients.
Yeah. I can see that.
So we're cutting them into very thin slices. Watch your
Bossy.
fingers. Anyway, and see how they're so little, and it's like
Watch your
onions.
fingers.
It's like onions.
I'm not
You
gonna do that.
should
That's
separate them.
Yeah.
So that they're nice little thin strips.
There you go.
And I
love
took
this
those
so
Brussels
much.
sprouts, I already did it, and I sauteed them in a little bit of olive oil. And so you have these cooked Brussels sprouts that are just
Yummy.
smelling amazingly. So, okay.
Okay.
So we got the Brussels sprouts.
There we go. Okay.
The other thing they do, they give you all these little containers, which is like playing house.
It's
I know, it's like so much
little
fun.
containers.
Anyway,
Mini.
it came with this little container of ricotta, and I'm using half of it right now
Why only half?
because I made the other half already.
Oh, that's right. You didn't
And
use
ate
it. Gotcha.
it,
Gotcha.
devoured
Gotcha.
it. Was more the word.
Okay.
Anyway, so I put the ricotta in here, and it came with a little packet of Italian seasoning. So I added Italian seasoning, and then it came with a little lemon,
Really?
and you squeeze the lemon juice in here, but you also zest it. Well,
Oh, I love lemon zest.
I love
Oh my
lemon
gosh.
zest.
Any
So
zest.
I have no idea when I got this. I have no idea. I have no recollection of ever buying this, but it's a zester. So we're going to get the lemon zest into this. Now, it didn't come with a lemon this size, believe me.
That's
Came
from
with
our
a
friend's
little one.
garden.
Yes. So this is the lemon zest, and I love lemon zest. So even though they said zest this little tiny lemon,
Oh,
I'm zesting this
Yeah.
big hunk of lemon.
you know it's getting all over here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, let's make sure we take all of it off.
Yeah.
And then mix it really well. So now we've got the ricotta, Italian seasoning, the juice from the lemon, and the lemon zest. And this we spread on the flatbread. You want to do that?
I get to
for me?
do that?
Yes. Thank
It's like
you.
frosting a cake,
Yes.
which is my favorite thing to do. One of my favorite
She's
things.
baking.
I love to
She's
bake.
baking in spirit. And it's the whole thing. You put the whole thing on there.
Oh, don't worry about that, sister. I got this. Well, I love flatbread anyway.
Yeah, and you know,
For a meal. I mean,
if you
when
want
we
to
go
make
out-
this without the HelloFresh ingredients, you can just buy. You can buy that. Is it bobo leaf?
Yes,
pizza
yes, yes.
bread.
They make flatbread?
Yeah, or you can buy naan.
Oh, yeah,
You know,
yeah.
from the Indian foods.
Oh, but flatbread and then like a little salad with it even?
Yes.
It's so good. And
Yes,
you can put anything
now-
on it.
I think if anything, I was surprised that this is supposed to be a meal for one person. Now, I'm very thin. I weigh 109 pounds. I was hungry. So I would feed this to someone with a side salad or maybe fruit
Yeah.
salad because it has a
Definitely.
lot of the Brussels sprouts.
Or you could even cut it into smaller pieces and make it a little appetizer.
That'd be cute, yeah. So, appetizers, not a full meal. Anyway, so now we're going to spread the Brussels sprouts.
What's in there besides the Brussels sprouts?
Just Brussels
Just
sprouts and a little bit of olive oil
Oh, okay.
to saute
I
it.
use olive oil for everything.
And then I am going to put a little bit of salt and pepper over it.
Nice.
But make sure this is all spread out. You cover it.
It looks so pretty.
It does look pretty, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
And easy. It looks really
Mhm.
easy.
I mean, this is it,
Yeah.
folks. Okay.
What's
now,
the honey?
Oh, that's the secret. So I'm going to spread a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and it brought a lot more. I'm not gonna wing it that much for you guys. So. Anyway, so we'll be right back. I'm going to toast this in my oven.
For how long?
Oh, you know what? I don't know the answer to that because I just put it until I see it. 4 to 6 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, that's not bad.
No, that sounds like it's going to burn it. That's a lot.
Really?
In an oven, 46 minutes?
Yeah.
Maybe it says
I put it in my toaster
Does
oven.
it say 4 to 6 minutes?
4 to 6
I
minutes.
thought you said 46.
Oh, no, 4 to 6 minutes.
40, first of all, it's a weird amount of time. Okay, 4 to 6. We'll be
right
back.
Okay, so we're back. We had put the flatbread in the toaster oven for 4 to 6 minutes. We actually did it about 5.
Not 46.
Not 46. And here it is. It has the ricotta. It has the ricotta with the Italian seasoning and the lemon zest and lemon juice. And then we put the sauteed, thinly sliced Brussels sprouts on top. I did put a little bit of salt and pepper over it before I toasted it. But
And Parmesan cheese.
this is the best ingredient. And I'm so excited about this because my son loves honey, but he also loves really spicy foods. And this is called hot honey.
Ooh, is it spicy?
It has chili peppers in it.
Oh.
And it's very spicy.
Oh, jeez.
But not so, it doesn't linger like most spices do where it's so
Like a
uncomfortable.
jalapeno.
This is amazing, you
Okay.
guys. And it came with $1 off from, if you buy the hot honey, Mike's Hot Honey from Amazon. So I'm buying a jar just to give to my son. So you just drizzle this honey over the Brussels sprouts. Just to
see
give
it.
it that little zing. It's
Cute.
unbelievable.
It's
Yes.
so cute. This whole thing
I
is
know.
so cute.
I know, really. I like you say, this is beautiful to just cut
for
it up into little
appetizers.
pieces and put it as an appetizer. It's
Yeah.
delicious.
I would do that.
And you know what? I think I'm going to do that for Christmas.
Yeah.
So ready to try it?
Yes. Give me an appetizer sized piece.
So this is supposed to
Since you
be
said spicy.
a meal for one person, but I think I'm going to cut it like Kathy said into little squares.
She listens to me all the time. Not.
Bologna.
Never.
This was a great idea, Kathy. So
Thank
I'm going
you.
to cut this into 3s.
There you go.
Okay.
Perfect.
And now, bon appetit. Oh, you didn't get one that has a lot of Brussels sprouts. You want this
Fine,
one?
no, I'm fine. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
It's delicious.
That's really good.
It is so
Mhm.
delicious.
That's really good. I could see this being an appetizer for sure.
This is so pretty.
It's
It's
not
a
spicy.
feast for the eyes. No,
Mm-mm.
it just has
It's a
that little zing.
zing.
Yeah. It's
Very good.
delicious.
Hmm. Okay. It's a go.
Wonderful. Don't forget, Brussels sprouts, flatbread with a little bit of ricotta cheese, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, Italian herbs, lemon juice, lemon zest, and that hot honey to die
It's really
for.
good. Really good.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons.
And please make sure to go to YouTube and subscribe. We want you subscribers on there, and share it and like it. Give us all your comments because we read them and we respond.
Yes, we do.
Always.
And you know what? Thank you. We have been getting a lot of subscribers, so
Yeah.
we really appreciate that. Thank you.
Don't forget our website, www.mamtalks.com. And we have a new article on there that you would love to read, I'm sure. So thank you. Take care. Be well. Remember to embrace getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.